in Class 1. Big move from them.
On your marks.
Will Bryson Keynes repay the faith put in him by the Old Hope Road base boys? Remember, Carlos Bryson Keynes won a Class 3 title in the green and black for Calabar, and now he represents Jamaica College with Joel Morgan going to the front early. He is a big lad for 800, 1500, but he carries that size around the track pretty well. Saw him run 400 hurdles to start the season. That was at Jamaica College at the Pure Water R. Danny Williams meet. Ran about 57. I spoke with his coach later in the season and he told me he is still training for the 400 hurdles, but the plan is not necessarily for him to do any more competitions this season. Joel Morgan right at the front there in this section of the 1500. Raquelme Johnson of Belfield. Belfield, a long and wonderful tradition in the middle distance events, and you need not go any further than Kemoy Campbell, who dominated this stage for such a long time. Raquelme Johnson right up there alongside Morgan. Justin Webb of Calabar, he's in third. Nahashon Ruto, he is the corporate area champion for Kingston College, and he ranges up and goes to the front. I thought he looked really good at the corporate area championships, and this season is certainly the best Ruto has looked in a couple of years. Had the injury concerns last year and was a shadow of himself, but he seems to be back in really good form. Remember, no Brian Kiprop, who dominated the 1500, 2000 steeplechase for Kingston College over the last few seasons. And now Ruto left to be the one to lead the KC Chargers. Johnson comes up on the outside to join Morgan and Ruto, with Webb of Calabar back in fourth. Bryson Keynes in about seventh at this stage. Bryson Keynes, no doubt trying to time this one really well. Remember again, only the top six to be in the final. No non-automatic qualifiers. Lerone Stewart of Edwin Allen is in the mix as well. Maggoty has in this one Yorick Givens trying to find racing room when the pace is not hot, when it's not really fast.
You run the risk of having a real sprint finish to get those top six spots. And Morgan of Edwin Allen, one of the favorites in this field, the strongest. He was silver. He got the silver medal last year in this race, and he's a strong favorite for the silver again, I would say, right, Ricardo?
Yeah, he wasn't a strong favorite for it last year, but he got the silver when Ryan Achaw blew up. As Joel Morgan goes through final lap, only 6 to go through. We have another race on here. It is Joel Morgan of Edwin Allen with the lead. Ruto of Kingston College in second. Raquelme Johnson of Belfield third. Justin Webb, Calabar fourth. Carlos Bryson Keynes of Jamaica College in fifth. Stewart of Homewood Technical holding that sixth and final qualifying spot at this stage, with Givens of Maggoty starting to suffer. He is losing ground on the top six. 200 meters to run, and like he's done all season, Joel Morgan controls the race. Ruto looks really, really good here. There's a certain level of comfort about him, but Morgan is always comfortable. Down the stretch they come for the final time. Edwin Allen's Joel Morgan, nice and cool in the hot Tuesday morning sun, glasses on, and he eases down the home stretch with Ruto alongside him. Webb of Calabar will be in third. Calabar will get 2 in the final. That's big for them. Raquelme Johnson fourth. I think Bryson Keynes might be in a spot of bother there for Jamaica College, and he has hand on face because he knows he's probably just made a massive mistake in the Class 1 boys 1500 meters. Let's look at those qualifiers. Ruto 407.97, Morgan 407.98, Webb of Calabar 409.